All right. Hi, Barb. Thanks for taking the time to sit down with us today.
No problem.
Thanks for talking to us about your experiences here at Wansettler Physical Therapy. First off, can you just tell us a little bit about what things were like before you started therapy with us?
Well, you mean after I had my accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
What led to the accident? What was the accident?
Well, the accident was back in June of this year. I was thrown from a horse and landed on my backside. So I was in the hospital for a few days. After I got out of the hospital, I was feeling a little bit better, but the pain kept going. I kept having pain in my lower back. So I actually called the therapy center myself because I wanted to fix it because nothing was helping.
Yeah, what kind of things was it stopping you from doing? I mean, you were having trouble sleeping.
Just had trouble sleeping, also just getting up in the morning, it was very sore. Just lifting things. I always had a stiff back, sharp pain in my back.
That's hard to just live like that.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Well, we're glad you came to see us.
Thanks.
After therapy, what is life like now?
Well, it's pain-free.
That's good to hear.
Yes. And what I did learn from coming here and working with Charlie Wansettler, Dr. Charlie Wansettler, was the fact that my hips were out of line from the fall. So I didn't know that, and that's what was causing the pain. So he worked with me one-on-one, which I thought was important because I was very much educated in what was going on with my body and why I was having the pain. So he worked with me one-on-one with exercises, stretches, etc. That was really the key.
Well, good. We're so glad to hear that. We're very happy to hear that you're feeling better and able to sleep and just back to normal life behaviors.
Absolutely.
Last question I have
Sure.
for you. If you were to talk to somebody that was in a similar situation, what would your advice be?
Well, my advice now to people when I see them with something on their leg or with a crutch, I'm like, have you been to physical therapy yet? And I have been talking about Wansettlers because I think they give great care. It's one-on-one. They focus on the patient and what the patient's goals are and what you want to be able to do again. So I think that's great.
Well, thanks. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
that. We're really glad to hear that you're back on your feet and back to your old routine, and we've really enjoyed working with you, and thank you for trusting us, and thank you for taking the time to do this today.
Absolutely. No problem. Thanks.